so this is going to be our project, and I want you to watch, or hoping that you'll enjoy seeing us do it up and be able to teach you inside this this workshop. Open the garage door here, and maybe you'll be able to see inside a bit more. You can see a few, I've just been shopping for a few old rusty implements there as well, just to do a bit of work on the land, grow our own vegetables, maybe have some animals. My wife wants to do that far more than I do, because I know that's hard work, and means I can't go on holiday as much as I'd like to, but we'll see. Anyway, let's show you inside the building. I just flip the camera if I can. So here is my workshop. It's been changed. It's had a truss roof put on it, chimney, and old fireplace, because this used to be a farmhouse as well, and a beam that's been chopped out over there, which I would like to reinstate a log burner in here so that it can warm up the workshop while we're working, and give those who want to come and do some training with me a nice warm place to work in the winter. You can see I've put in the corner here for the house, I've put in a new hot water cylinder, and there's a few bits there that I've got to finish off. Box all of that in so that and put a cover around it so that that's not gathering dust and on show all the time. Yeah, I've got a little 40 horsepower tractor here, my little toy that I've just bought. We basically have 3 acres of land here, so just got something to help me out here. But I've got quite a few tools, and I'd love to be able to share with you how to use some of them, but also just give you the confidence to be able to do your own work. But you can see here, this end wall is an old stone wall, which I need to chip off all the old render from the house and repoint it all. Someone has, rather silly, repointed the stone wall with sand and cement, whereas actually it's a lime, it should have been a lime breathable mix, so I'm going to redo that. And all of this I'm going to scrape all of this off and give it repoint where I need to, render where I need to in the lime render, just to make it breathable. We've got a few damp issues that I've got to sort out. We didn't really understand old buildings, so we're gonna have to just do some work on it, get rid of a few things. I've got there, you can see that they've filled in with normal cement there, and we're gonna have to take all that out, point up brickwork, some old timber to take out, and a lot of lintels to replace because they're all rotting. So yeah, you can see there's lots to be done here. There you go, you see the workshop, all the work's got to be done. There's a lot. I'm not gonna lie, it's dusty, horrible work, but in the end it'll be worth it. It'll be a lovely place to come. One of the things I've known and realised and seen during my time as a builder is that people really would like to have a go themselves, but they just lack the confidence. A lot of the time when I'm asked, how do you do that? Where do you start? I often just have to say to people, well, you just have a go. And that's the point. That's what we want to do. We want to enable people to have a go at doing their own DIY, their own putting up jobs like putting up a shelf, like repairing that bit of skirting board, laying that floor, having the confidence to pick up the drill and knowing what drill to pick up and what screws. But we want to create a fun environment to do that. I want to give you the confidence to do it. And as you watch me do the work around my own projects, that you'll be able to see that actually I know what I'm talking about. I know I'm going to get comments about that. Some people saying you're not doing it right. But yeah, I've got 23 years of owning my own business, doing up people's houses. So I've been around a little bit, and I want to share